Hey guys, check out this beautiful sauerkraut. Aren't these gorgeous colors? This is the last batch I made about 6 months ago. I probably let this one ferment for about 5 or 6 weeks at room temperature. Then I put it in the fridge. Let's open it together. Okay guys, let's open this sauerkraut together. Now this is for the first time. I taught myself how to make sauerkraut about 3 years ago. I did a ton of research on the internet and I learned the best jars to use and how long to ferment this stuff and the best formula for adding salt. Okay, let's try and open this here, guys. Let's see how hard it is. Sometimes it's, there we go. Nice seal on that. And check out, this is old school. We're keeping it under the brine with using its own leaves. And I gotta tell you guys, I have not made a bad batch of this stuff yet. Okay, let's take this leaf out. Oh yeah, I do. This is a dehydrator screen. So there we go. Oh, I can tell you right now that looks really, really good. I don't see any sign of bad bacteria in there at all. And can you imagine the nutrition in this raw cabbage? And you have the added benefit of natural probiotics that make it all the way through your GI tract. So let's have a taste of this. It looks beautiful. 6 months old. I know it's going to be good. Pardon the crunching. Delicious. Oh, that's why I brought a second fork to show you guys. Look at all that beautiful brine. I love brine in my sauerkraut. I don't know about you guys. But yeah, it turned out fantastic. Just loaded with probiotics. So what I like to do is I will add a little garlic and onion in my sauerkraut, but you don't need to. But this stuff is practically like it's a food, it's a medicine, and it pairs wonderfully with my homemade bean patty and mashed cauliflower and broccoli. It's just wonderful, guys. So tap the end card if you want to get the sauerkraut recipe. And you guys have a great week, okay? We've got an interesting vid coming for you next week. Have a good one. Bye-bye.